In this video, I'm going to be revealing 3 ways in which you can earn money with System.io. If you're looking to earn your first $1,000 with this tool, definitely this video is for you. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about railways money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, in this video I'm going to be covering 3 ways in which you can earn money with System.io. But first, what is System.io? Maybe this is the very first time you're listening to it. Well, System.io, it's an all-in-one marketing solution. And the cool thing about System.io is that you can literally start with a free plan, 100% for free, and you can become an affiliate. If you haven't created your account, I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can create your free System.io account. And don't worry, you don't need to put a PayPal address. You don't need to type your credit card information. Literally, you're just going to put your email address, password, and you're going to be good to go. With the free plan, you're going to notice that you're going to have the opportunity to have up to 2,000 contacts. You can send unlimited emails. You can have 3 sales funnels with 15 steps, 1 blog, courses, and all cool stuff. So a lot of features if you are just starting an online business. And as I mentioned before, guys, literally you can start with 0. Okay, this is not a free trial. This is actually a free plan. Okay, and I can tell you that if you have way more than 2,000 contacts, you are going to be earning way more than this. Okay, so that's something that I want you guys to take into consideration. So if someone is looking to have an online business, an online presence, definitely they're going to have a cool tool with System.io. So what you're going to be doing, first, you're going to be clicking the link below and you are going to have what we call an affiliate account. So we're going to be promoting System.io with the free version, okay, or the free plan. You can be an affiliate, and so far they already pay over 5 million in commissions to their affiliate. One cool thing that I like about System.io is the fact that we have 60% lifetime commission every time someone use our affiliate link. Okay, it's open to everybody. It's system, okay, it's simple. So you're gonna have that. Then you're gonna have a panel with System.io. Okay, you're gonna have your what we call your back office. So the very first way in which you can actually share this with people, it's by sharing tutorials or doing reviews. Okay, it's by sharing tutorials or doing the reviews. You can see that I already have a review here about System.io. Okay, this is a review that I did actually in the past, in which I was sharing people, different features. Okay, let me skip this ad. Okay, so I was literally sharing my opinion about System.io, and if we're looking, to start with this all-in-one marketing solution, okay, they're going to be using my affiliate link, okay, which is actually really easy, really simple. Okay, that's the very first strategy. Okay, you can literally share a tutorial. Okay, it can be something step by step. It can be something, like, hey, I'm going to show you how you can open your System.io account. I'm going to show you how you're going to be making your first funnel. Okay, there are tons of tools, how you can actually configure your domain, how you can create your blog with System.io. And that's another thing, that if you don't want to be on camera, okay, you don't have to. If you don't want to be recording a YouTube video, no worries, you don't have to. You can create your own blog, okay, with System.io, and you can do a review. Okay, you can write a review or step-by-step tutorial with System.io, so people actually like it. And as I told you before, with the free version of System.io, you can have 1 blog. Okay, so literally you can start this business for free. Okay, so that's the very first thing. You can do tutorials, you can do reviews, Okay, and another cool thing about System.io, let me show you, is that you can see that right now I have 83 leads. Okay, they are cookie to me for life. And if System.io promote a product and they decide to go ahead and make the purchase, you're going to have the opportunity to earn commission on that as well. So literally, you are inviting people to try something for free, and you have a world of opportunities. Okay, so another way in which you can actually be promoting System.io, it's by sharing funnels. Okay, with the free version, you're going to have the opportunity to create 3 sales funnels. Okay, and you can be really niche, really specific about this. For example, you can be creating a funnel or a website that is going to be for dentists. Okay, and you can share them. Okay, let me show you. These are the funnels that I do have here, and the only thing that I have to do is click here on the 3 dots. Okay, and then I'm going to be clicking here where it says share. Okay, here where it says share, and if you click there, this is going to be your link. Okay, so if someone click on it, okay, they're going to grab the funnel. But not only that, if they don't have a System.io account, they're going to be creating a new account and they're going to have the funnel. Okay, the same works with the email sequence, which is actually really amazing. You can actually share your email sequence. It's going to be the same. Okay, you're going to click here where it says email. You're going to click here where it says email campaigns. The same. You're going to be clicking on the 3 dots, and then you're going to be clicking on share. Okay, so that's something really amazing because you guys are going to be sharing a resource. Okay, something that people want. So you can be creating, a funnel for, people in the weight loss industry, for dentists, architects, translators, everybody basically, they need a funnel. So that's going to be an easy entry because they don't have to start creating things from scratch. Although System.io do have funnels templates. Okay, this is something like they're going to be like, hey, this is something that I like, I want it. Okay, I'm going to click it. So another way in which you can actually share System.io, so people can actually create an account and they're going to be cookied for you. It's with a free course. Okay, as you can see here, first we did a review, we did a tutorial, so they have to do it. Then we actually do a share funnel, so we did the funnel and they're just gonna grab it, and here we are teaching them, okay, how to do things. You can teach them how to create a funnel, for example, in a free course. Okay, and then the next lesson is going to be all about email marketing. Okay, and they have already the tool here. Then on the next lesson, maybe you're going to share them how they can create a blog, then how they can post the blog with the blog post here. Okay, and you're going to have the opportunity to have one course with the free program, or actually the free plan. Okay, so these are the 3 strategies that I want to share with you guys. So if you are actually interested in this, again, there's going to be a link below, so you're going to have access to the free version of System.io. By the way, it's not limited, like there are some tools that are going to be disabled or some stuff. You're going to notice that here on the free plan, okay, and here in the limited plan, well, everything here is unlimited, but here you're going to have, for example, 2,000 contacts, unlimited emails, funnels. You can create your blog, you can create your course, you can create a community, you can do automation. So it's not like it's limited that you're not going to be able to use the tools, okay, because you're going to have everything here. And also you can even connect a custom domain, which is actually really, really amazing. So this is for this video, guys. I hope you find this content helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.